welcome to another Angel on the Go video. And today we just left Walgreens is today, not Walmart. I keep wanting to say Walmart, but it's Walgreens. You guys can see the bag right here. Should we show them what we got?
Sure, why not?
We only got one item from Walgreens. We happened to run into Walgreens, you guys, and we found out that Walgreens 70% off Valentine's. We had no clue. We just happened to walk in. We wanted to see what was in there, see if we can catch some clearance, and we sure did. So this Walgreens, we only end up getting one item because we're off to a late start. So let's see what we got.
Nothing to do with like something coming, like showing something. That's more like an alien thing, isn't it?
Twilight Zone, I think. Look at this, you guys. All right. Now, I found this, and I wasn't sure if it was Valentine's. It was kind of, I'm not sure if it was Valentine's, regular toy, or it could have been Easter. We get these all the time. Hint, hint. We get these all the time, and we don't keep them for ourselves. But if you guys can find, almost dropped my phone. If you guys can find these at Walgreens for 70% off, still a great deal. How much we spent on this? Like $3 or $4? Four?
$4.99, I think it is.
$4.99 at 70?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So we spent about, I want to say between $4 and $4.99. We don't have the receipt in front of us.
But if you got points, it'd be less.
Yeah, we actually have points, so we only paid like $2 for them. I think it's her, Eve. All right, so we didn't film inside that. I'm about to say Ross. We didn't film inside that Walgreens because the music was way too loud. So we're actually headed to another Walgreens. We're gonna film inside. We're gonna show you guys the items that they have. But again, only on Angel on the Go first, 70% off Valentine's. All right, we are at Walgreens number 2. And guess what? No music. Yeah, you can kind of hear it, but it's not as bad. So we're here to show you guys what they have left. So if you guys haven't been to Walgreens, make sure you guys run. All right, so, this is cute. Look at this. It's a coffee cup, and it says Happy Valentine's. Of course, it has Mickey and Minnie, and we see this stuff all the time, Mickey and Minnie, because we live down the street from Universal. All right, so with Walgreens, you guys, unfortunately, we don't have the exact price until we go up to the register. So we're just going to kind of show you what they have, but everything, again, is 70% off. So we have this cup, which is super cute. I might get this one. It's like a coffee cup. What is this? Squishy toys, 70% off. So I'm going to lift the sign. They have all these. They have like the Slinky. They have cars. Oh, this is cute. They have bubbles. So you guys can buy these now and kind of save them until next year if you guys want. You found some? What'd you find?
No.
You find something for me for next year?
Yeah.
That's a cute little dinosaur. All right, so wait, almost dropped it. All right, so the name is Hug Me, and most of the stuffed animals are Hug Me. They got that one. They have this one. So just in case you guys are looking for plush, they do have plenty at Walgreens. Again, 70% off. So here's a cute little green dinosaur with little hearts here. They have this cute dog. Look how cute he is. He has a little collar or a little scarf. That's the tag. And it says collect them all. So these are all the ones they have. All right, so we found this one. And I don't know, I think they're $6.99. So what would be the price at 70% off? Because all I know is 90 or 50.
Like 2 something.
2 something. Super cute though. You guys know that we're gonna wait to 90, but we want to show you guys what was in here at 70. So they have this one. They also have this miniature schnauzer. I used to have one of these dogs when I was smaller. This one, Manny found the brown dog, all brown. Look how cute. So that's his collar. We found the black and white one. You keep pulling them. Yeah, I think I got that one already. All right, so as you guys can see, these are the stuffed animals. Oh, this one's soft. Oh, what's that? Like a fox? That's like a squishmallow. Feel that?
Oh, it is.
Right, that's soft. We might got to get that one.
Yeah, I like this one.
Right. Look at this, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is super soft. So we might get this one at 70% off. I'm definitely going to get this one right here. Look how big he is. This is a super cute dragon. Look at that. And this just says stuffed dragon. So I'm definitely getting this one. All right, hold that one. I'm getting those 2 for sure. They have this cute little thing. Again, 70% off. They got this. Let's see what else they have. All right, so this is so far all the stuffed animals. And they have plenty. So, you know what? I think I'm going to grab these 2. And when this goes down to 90, I think we're going to come back and grab some more. All right, so we showed you the stuffed animals. They have a bunch of Valentines, like the cards that little kids have. So we're going to show you a few. They have Frozen. They have the Minnie Mouse. These are all 70% off. I have no clue what the regular price is. I really wish Walgreens had an app so we can scan for you guys, but they don't. We actually got to stand in this long line over here to get a price. They have this one with the paper airplanes. Oh, look at the fortune teller.
Oh, that's cool.
That's cute. They have these unicorn ones with 32 tattoos. So these are all the cards, which you guys know we're going to wait till it hits 90. See down here. What is this? Oh, it's a sun catcher. All right, you guys know we're going to wait until that goes down. They got a couple glasses down here. These are favor bags. You guys, these do well online. We sell these online. Anything that has the Hallmark sells well. So when it hits 90%, you guys, there'll only be 29 cents. So we're definitely gonna wait because they have a bunch. So when this hits 90, we're probably gonna grab this whole box right here. This too. This is another hot item. When it hits 90, we're gonna go ahead and grab these. This one is the tissue paper, and it has the red, white, and light pink, and also the hot pink. So here's the colors. But if you guys need it now, it's 70% off this price. All right, let's see.
Remember in Walmart, there was an item I told you that you slap it on your wrist?
Yeah, wait, let me go up. Okay.
There's it right here. So you
Oh, there you go. Oh, he looks cute on your arm. You want to take him home? You can wear him all day.
This is why I don't show you things.
Do it again. Do it again.
You open it, it stays open.
Okay.
Slap it on your wrist.
God, they think of everything.
This is old.
I never seen that. Okay, so let's see. I'm back down, all the way down here for you guys. Look at this. What is this? Oh, this is slime. So this is Love Slime. Look how cute this is. All right, so they got this at 70. They have these at 70. Oh, this is super cute. That's cute. All right, they have some more slime right here. All right, and oh, look at these, Manny. These are heavy. These are way back here. You guys gotta look down below and in the back too. Look at all this stuff behind here. But if you're just standing right here, you guys cannot see it. So you guys gotta make sure you go all the way down and look in the back. But look at this. And it's really heavy. This is a Season of Love travel mug. Feel how heavy this is. That's pretty heavy. I wonder how much this is right now. All right, we're gonna scan this. Super cute. Yeah, but what's the regular price? Yeah, that's the thing. Like, we don't know the regular price. But, here, hold this one because I think I might get that too. All right, so they have this one in pink and also the purple. All right. What is this? What's that? Like a cup? Love in the Air heart tumbler. That's cute. I've never seen anything like this. Oh, here, you could drink.
This is weird.
All right, look at you. Look at this. So it comes, I think it's like a cup thing. It comes with a straw. So those are 70 and they got a bunch back here. So I'm gonna push this one back here. All right. They have these Reese's. This is Manny's favorite candy. Peanut butter cups. You get 12 inside. It's like a football heart. All right. They got these. That box is heavy. Oh, the perfect man. Oh, all this is missing is your face on here.
You're terrible at this.
Look at Wonder Woman, you guys. Hold on, let me show you Wonder Woman. So this is a solid milk chocolate Wonder Woman. All right, and back to this. He has little shorts. This looks like Arnold. So they have plenty of the perfect man if you guys are looking for this. They have these right here. So that one is the milk chocolate, rich chocolate. This is the caramel. So they have several of these back here. I always hated these. These were so nasty. Did you like these?
Alright.
Oh, these are nasty. It's like chalk. But if you guys are looking for this, it's 70% off. They have these Hershey's Kisses milk chocolate melt away. That looks good. All right, so they have these. They have blow pops, love pops, Star Wars cards with candy. Oh, look at this. That's a pretty big kiss.
Oh. You're such a nerd.
You know what's good is that we can actually get some of this, Manny, because our anniversary is coming up on the 20th, right? So we could just buy this stuff for each other. So what do you want? You want Wonder Woman right here?
No.
What do you want?
You know what I want.
What?
I'm sorry.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get Manny this and this. Here's the bigger one and here's a smaller one. So they have a bunch of those back here. They got a bunch of the smaller ones here. They have these hearts. I'll probably just get Manny this whole box and give it to him on the 20th for our anniversary. Airheads, Dum Dums, Marvel characters. Oh, you know what? I used to eat these back in the days. The Fun Dips. These were so good. So if you guys are looking for some Fun Dips, they are 70% off, only on Angel on the Go, and they have enough. So sometimes when you guys see a lot like this, a lot of candy, I'm gonna come around here. When you guys see a bunch of these stuffed animals, and it says 70, wait a couple more days or in a week, and it's gonna hit 90. And when it hits 90, we're gonna just be grabbing.
I bet teachers got a lot of this year.
What is that?
The teachers.
Oh, it's a chocolate apple.
I bet they got a bunch. Every student brought this to a teacher.
I never seen that before. That's cute. All right, so let us know below if you guys were able to go down to Walgreens and score on the 70% off Valentine merchandise. We just went up to the register and asked the guy to scan these for us, and he was nice enough to scan them. So how much is this one?
So this one is $2.99.
Not bad, you guys.
No, not bad.
Not bad. And it's pretty big, too. Does it have a size on there?
Sure it does. 14.5 inches.
All right, 14.5 inches. So he's pretty big. And this cute little dinosaur is only $2.99. All right, what's next?
So the next one is this hug me kind of squishy, whatever you want to call it.
It's a fox.
Yeah. So this is only $2.09.
Okay, so $2.09 for him. And I love his color. He has the little hearts on the back. So we're definitely going to get him because I'm not sure if he's going to last into 90%.
Yeah, but he will not, absolutely.
And he's super soft. He's kind of like the Squishmallows. Can you squish him? Squish. Squish.
That's a good one.
Yeah, good one. All right. And again, the dragon is only $2.99. And can you grab this? Okay. He checked for this Valentine Day Minnie and Mickey Mouse. What is this? Like a tumbler cup coffee thing?
Coffee cup, yeah.
Coffee cup. All right. So what do you say? This is $2.99? All right. So this is $2.99. And we decided to come down the toy aisle. Now the aisle that we were down for the Valentine's down here, but we decided to come down the toy aisle and look what we found. Look at this, boom. This is the Fingerlings. What's it called?
Untamed. Yeah,
is that Fingerlings?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Fingerlings Untamed. And on this tag right here, it actually says Dino. So we weren't sure if this was part of it because we're looking for like a dinosaur, but this is more like a snake. No, wait, this is is that a snake?
Look like one.
I don't know, you guys.
Looks like a cobra. Well, this one's a cobra. I don't know what that one is.
Does it say?
Yeah, it's a snake right there.
It looks like okay.
Snakes right there.
We were confused because right here it says dino, like a dinosaur. But here it looks like a snake. So we're just going to call it a snake. This is like the yellow snake. And his eyes light up. So his eyes light up. And, oh, he goes forward. Like he about to bite you. Yeah. Oh, we definitely getting this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so they have this one. So if you guys are in Walgreens looking at the Valentine's, make sure you guys go down to the toy aisle and look for this. So they have that color. And the next color they have is this one. Look at this. Again, the eyes light up. And he attacks you. That is super cool, you guys. And it went from $9.99 down to $2.49. So you're actually saving $7.50. So we were able to find this one, and this one, only on Angel on the Go. Look at that. And again, only $2.49.
And this your favorite character?
Who is that?
The Street Fighter dude.
I don't know what that is.
The Street Fighter dude.
No. Who is that?
The guy that...
You know what? Let's go. We're going to drag Manny out the store because he's getting tired. All right. Grab it. All right. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, and click on that notification bell. Good luck, and let us know below if you guys score on the Valentine's items and also on these toys at Walgreens. Bye.